Good morning, guys. Welcome. Just me this morning. Today's vlog is going to be a home vlog, and we are going to be making 3-ingredient Sprite biscuits and making a Hello Kitty ceramic crystal. Come join us. Let's have some fun. So here's your ingredients: 2 cups of Bisquick or 2 cups of Jiffy Mix, Sprite, sour cream. Now, the next part, you'll want to place a half a stick of butter in an 8x8 pan and then preheat your oven to 400. If this stuff gets done before the butter melts, just take it out. You're gonna put the biscuits in here later. Okay, y'all. So I put the half a cup of sour cream. Now I'm adding the half a cup of Sprite. We're gonna mix this all up. Okay, y'all, here's the dough. I got ahead of myself with recording, so sorry. I laid it out on the flour like it says to. Cut it into sections. Here it is in the pan. We're gonna stick it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. This is how they turned out, guys. They look delish. Now we're gonna try them. Yummy. George is gonna try it.
All right, so here's
while he's live streaming.
So here's the cross section. So let's take a look and see how this is.
Good. They're buttery. There's a reason for that butter on the bottom of the pan. There you have it.
Shit, this is good.
Praise the my biscuit, baby.
This is good.
Well, all right, so a little bit later on, and the next day actually, the biscuits were a phenomenal hit. I enjoyed them very much so, and we're also going to be doing a couple things a little bit differently here. Crystal's going to be doing a live stream, painting her Hello Kitty ceramic figure, and we're also going to be vlogging this one as well. Oh, and there is Hello Kitty.
It's going to make a
there.
mess. Instructions.
All right, so we're going to...
Okay.
All right, so we're trying to figure this out a little bit.
She might just be getting painted, y'all, because this is just a little too much.
So yeah, it looks as if we
I'm not
boil
gonna
some
be
water.
baking this thing.
Yeah, it looks as if she's having a little bit of technical difficulties with this.
I need scissors.
I'm gonna grab the scissors for you.
No.
Can you take that off?
Yeah, I gotta get white paint.
Yeah, we just made a little mistake here, so we're just gonna try to clean out the middle of her eye. Is it working?
Yeah.
So yeah, we kind of messed up on the
Clean
instructions. Yeah, so we got to basically boil this and put the powder in, and then we get started. So, oops. Yeah, we just read the instructions fully, and I mean, the fact that we have to this process is gonna take 2 hours just to have it to set.
Okay, 30 seconds.
It looks as if this may be a 3-part vlog. And so this is part 1 of the Hello Kitty crystal figurine painting. So we gotta wait 2 hours for that water and that solution to cool off, and then we gotta dunk in Hello Kitty. And I guess once Hello Kitty's dunked in,
I wonder if I should use my glass measuring cup.
you could.
Yeah, let me do that.
And of course, here is a quick update as to the status of the crystallized Hello Kitty. Oh yeah, you could definitely feel the crystals coming up if you take a look. Oh yeah, it's definitely crystallizing. Let's leave this in, leave her in the entire night so we can then actually finish this tomorrow. All right, so as you can see, the crystal's already set on Crystal's Hello Kitty, and the painting is commencing. So far, she looks like she's either visited the eye doctor or she got spooked.
I'm gonna fix that.
Well, Well, as you can see, Crystal has finished her Hello Kitty. She looks either scared or she just has her pupils dilated. But so far, it came out pretty well. She did finish the project previously on a live stream, but we're just finishing this up for our home vlog.
So this is the finished product. She was a little hard. I messed up on the eyes, but I'll fix that later. She just looks like...
Yeah, she just looks a little too overwhelmed.
Yeah.
So
The crystals took over her cheeks, so I couldn't even paint the whiskers. If not, they'll bleed. So I'm just gonna leave her like this.
Very overwhelmed.
Super cute. Pink on the back. Little tiny bow. Little tiny white little... What kind of cat is she? Bobtail minx? Those are the ones they cut off the tails. So.
All it says she's a little girl. That's all that they say.
A little kitty with a little rabbit tail.
All right. So, you guys, listen. Thanks for joining us today for our little adventures in crafts and artwork.
If you guys want to buy this, it's at Five Below. I got it for Christmas, but I seen it there. So, voila.
So, guys, we'll see you guys next time.
Praise Lord, go Mullins, baby.